Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another 589 in here, and I did an intro and started a whole video on this one after I pulled it in. Kind of lost the plot, so I'm just gonna walk around, talk about it. I will play a time lapse of me adding one cab light to the roof. We added two. I don't know what happened that it didn't film the first one, but here you go. Watch the time lapse. And there we go. The only thing that I didn't show in that video is, yes, I do take silicone and I fill in the tops of the Phillips screw that goes in the top there, because I've had them leak down in. Even though I silicone around the nut inserts, I still like to silicone the head of it so that way the light housing itself doesn't fill up with water. With that being said, I also got the 4 more grill bars installed, so that way you have 7 down here, 7 lights, 7 grill bars. Now I got some panels here that I need to paint to put on this truck, and let's get right into painting, because that's what this channel is. It's Josh Paints, and Josh does paint. Now this is an absolutely beautiful 589. We built this one a while back, so if you go to my channel, you can scroll back a little bit and you'll find this one. Well, we did this round to it. He brought it back to us. We added painted vent covers back here, the side panels here, and we put 4 grill bars in to fill in the blanks, and we added that light and that light. I also went around, because I built this one, I treated it like I would treat any other truck, like this one. And even though I'm the one that built it, I kind of went over it, and you just kind of pick everything apart and make sure everything's good. And there was a couple things that I touched up. There was these watermelon lights here were loose. Don't know what happened there. Tighten them up. There was a couple other minor little things, but other than that, this truck is ready to pull out, and we are ready to get back to work on the cat swapped 589. I will show you guys this one more time on this truck. This is a split window kit, and it looks pretty cool. I mean, does it fix the 589? No. I mean, to fix the 589, we'd also have to get rid of these stupid doors, because the hood honestly isn't that bad on these trucks. It's the doors that really throw it off. Get used to it. Or don't, whatever. There's just gonna come a point where 389s are too old. It'll be like the 379s, and I don't mean to hurt anybody's feelings, but I mean, I remember guys being like, oh, I'll never have anything but my mechanical cat. Well, now you can't have any shop work on them. Nobody knows how to work on them. Nobody knows how to fix them. And 379 parts are honestly becoming pretty obsolete. You gotta go to a scrapyard a lot of times to get some of the parts you need, unless you want to pay a premium. So this is the future. This is what we got to deal with. So just bear with me, because I've been working on a lot of these. Turning into a 589 channel is what's happening. Let's get that truck pulled out and let's get back to work on this thing. All right, project right now is we are gonna go ahead and cut all these hooks, and we're gonna remove this grill surround and grill. It's bent at the bottom, it's kind of messed up, it's not perfect, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. And it was out because this hood was rebuilt or whatever, and it's got a bunch of like halfway pulled hooks. If that were me, I would have cut those off, you know, so that way it would at least look decent and not have a sharp point on all of those up top there. But whatever, doesn't matter, because we're gonna go ahead and cut that grill surround out, because we have a new one right here. Oh, pretty. Let's get this unboxed, take a look at it. And I'm also gonna be cutting this one up, because we're not gonna leave the factory grill insert in it. We're gonna be putting a 389 grill insert in it. I'm not too sure what's going on here. As I pulled this one off, it's very apparent that this whole hood is twisted because everything kind of popped loose and shifted, and half these hooks are loose and coming out. That one's crooked, and a bunch up top are crooked. And then there's collars. It doesn't look like their hook gun was pulling at all. I don't know what's going on. So we're gonna take this off, and hopefully the whole hood doesn't twist really bad, because I'd really hate to have to use ratchet straps or something to make a brand new grill fit. Which, if that were the case, I believe I'd have to tell them we're gonna repaint this hood, because the paint job on this hood is it's paint. But we'd have to cut all the hooks and get the hood setting square. I mean, even when I'm just changing the grill surround, I try and get the hood sitting to where it's on certain pressure points. Like, you don't want it just sitting crooked. I got the same height blocks in the back here. I have a block across the front to hold it all square and solid. And if things don't look straight when you're putting it together, pulling the hooks tight is not gonna make it straight. I can tell you that right now. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna just go ahead and get these cut off. Which, the way I'm gonna do that is I'm just gonna take a cutting wheel and I'm gonna cut right into these collars on these ones. And then on these ones here that are inside here, I don't wanna end up hitting any of this and chewing any of this up and making it look bad. So we'll go ahead and drill those ones out from the outside. See, it's just stuff like this. I've never seen this with a huck gun before. And I've worked on a lot of trucks. A lot of these, well, one of these was loose. I just hit it and it was loose. But anyways, they're like halfway pulled. Oh, that one's loose. This whole grill surround, I mean, it's just, I don't understand. And then like all these ones down here, they're broke off so far inside that I bet I could just take a chisel and a hammer and just hit the back side and they'll pop apart. I don't understand what was going on. I mean, somebody in the comments will probably tell me exactly what's going on. It's probably gonna be something like the wrong nose, the wrong tip on the huck gun. So it wasn't fully clamping. It wasn't fully stretching the huck all the way tight. I mean, that's probably what's going on, but I don't know. These grill surrounds, especially on these 589s, these are far too expensive to not have your huck gun working properly and to have your grill. I mean, you can hear all these are loose. This side got tight. I don't know. Whole thing's gonna start rattling and fall off the truck. Run over it. I don't know. All right, I had the grill cut out, well, it's not old, this is all new, but I had the grill insert cut out. I just got it cut out, and I'm gonna go ahead and set this up there and get ready to huck it together. And then we'll put the grill insert in after we huck the whole surround on. So that way I can, you know, reach through and hold my hucks and get it. I'll show you guys as we go. All right, so I got the crown on and I have all the hucks put in all the way around. They're all fitting in there nice and loose. Nothing's twisted, nothing's tweaked. Even the bolts for the steps down here went through nice and easy. I don't know, I think what might have happened, I can't be positive, but I wonder if it was twisted when they started hucking it together, because as I cut some of these hucks, the whole thing kind of shifted and went this way and that way, and it just wasn't sitting quite right. But what you want to do is you want to get every single huck in like that, before you pull one single huck tight. And then you have to do it kind of in a sequence, like you want to do here, over there, here. You don't want to just start at one side and just start tightening them all the way around, because you'll literally push all that metal and it'll stretch, and by the time you get to the other side, you're going to buckle your hood. So I'm not going to video it. It's going to take too long, but I'm going to go ahead and get this all hooked together and move on to the next project, because I don't think I'm going to put the grill insert in yet today. I have it right there, but I don't think I'm going to put the grill insert in until I have the hood back on the truck. So we'll just see where we get to from here. Okay, and there's the first one. I believe what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and tape this top off. I'm gonna tape the top off, the back off, and the bottom off, and I'm only gonna paint the face of it. Well, I think this is gonna be the end of this video. I have a booth full of parts to paint to get the rest of this truck put back together. I also have to order some carpet because this has a rubber mat in it, and the customer wants carpet, and I don't blame them. To make it nice. I believe this truck came with carpet, or at least I believe that's what they told me the build sheet said it should have. So I don't know what's going on there. So we're gonna put carpet in there. Long story. Anyways, I gotta paint the rooftop and seal all the holes up from the factory visor. I have to put, even though this is my preferred look right here without grill bars, I'm gonna put factory grill bars in, 7 of them, and I don't know. I love the smooth, clean look. I do get it though. It's a cat, it's turned up. It'll probably overheat if it doesn't have those grill bars, but I think that looks pretty slick. Got the 12 gauge mirror brackets on already. There's a lot of wiring to be done. I believe in the next video, the truck should be finished. Yeah, the next video will have me painting, installing the rest of these parts, and run a lot of wiring. So, catch you in the next one.